Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted to go ahead and do a review of the Tarptent Notch. This is the shelter I'll be carrying on the Appalachian Trail with me. And I've seen some reviews for it on YouTube, but I thought I'd just touch on a couple things that I didn't see people mention at all. So I'll go ahead and do a quick 360. This is the Tarptent Notch. It takes 4 stakes to pitch. You have one at each corner right here, and then one on each side. As you can see from this angle, it takes 2 poles to pitch it. I set both of mine to 115 centimeters, and that seems to work pretty well. And this is basically how the back works. So you have a toggle right here, and this one pulls the ridgeline taut, and then this one over here on the bottom pulls the sides taut. And you do have a little air vent right here on each side, and then you also have a strap to keep the door up. So let's go ahead and go inside. If you observe the buckle right here, there's actually a little clip, and what you do before you open it is you unclip it, and then you zip this up, and then there's your door. So as you can probably see, there's quite a bit of vestibule room in here. I'm going to roll this door up real quick. So you can easily store a pack or 2 or 3 if you really wanted to. There's also 2 vestibules, which is really nice. So for a 1-person shelter, it's pretty luxurious. The tent poles right here, they actually connect to the floor, and they're what brings the floor out and spreads it out. So here's a vestibule. So you can probably see in here, the net is totally disconnected from the inner tarp. So if you want to, you can actually completely disconnect the inner net from the tarp. I have a regular Neo Air in here, 6 foot length, so you guys can get an idea how much room there is. It is a pretty tight space, I'll say. If you're any bigger than 6 foot, it's gonna get a little tight. I slept in it last night and I was totally fine, but it definitely would get a little bit tight. So getting inside here, so here's what kind of room you're looking with. So that's this is the Neo Air. It almost goes to the end. Flip around here. You got about 6 inches on each side. And this is, like I said, the 6 foot length. So not a bad size. The vestibules kind of make up for it, and I also really like the side entry. So you can cook and stuff even when it's rainy or something outside. So it's pretty nice. And the doors are they're kind of across from each other, so you can actually open up both of them. And you can see all the way through, which is pretty cool. So anyways, I hope you guys like the review. If you guys have any more questions about the shelter itself, the shelter does pack down to about the size of tarp tent contrail. It's about 4 inches by about 15 inches. Total weight for me was 26 ounces is what I weighed it at. That's after being seam sealed. And yeah, thanks guys.